No, I'm confident that God will decide everything. If God does not want me to die, I will not die. But if God wants me out of the scene, I will be gone. So, babay na lang. No, that is just that's the story going around that they are going to raise funds. Alam mo, the armed forces will not take it sitting down. The Philippine National Police, even if I'm gone, they will not allow these animals to have their day. You can be very sure that one of them but also be as Lene Rodrigo, if she becomes the president, will also be harsh. Kasi we're talking about the welfare of the country. I'm very allergic if it becomes an interest that will affect the country. Masyado ako, lalo na itong criminality, kidnapping. So I'd like to ask also the police and with the participation now of the military, I'd call them to help. Do not forget the kidnap or ransom. But you might want to know that yung mga kidnap or ransom, murder for hire, they've shifted their operations and their money-making schemes dito sa drugs. Mas dali gawin with the least danger to themselves. I'm sure as the drug problem would go down, then you expect the criminality of drug for hire and kidnapping will also rise. There's never end. You know, for as long as we have a society, for as long as there are laws really that allows men to do this freely, they can do it because we do not, this is not a fast state. This is not a state where you can just stop a civilian and search this person and ask questions. That is not allowed under the law, our law. Kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng problema. In autocratic countries, mahirap. Talagang, tapos naman may death penalty. Dito wala eh. So, yan ang, that is really limited.
Yan pa, good morning. Mayor Duterte, ako po yung nanawagan sa iyo. After announcing the 5 generals, you took a commercial plane going to Davao. Pag-sure diha, uy. Come on, Mayor. If you are not afraid to die, we are afraid for you. Huwag naman ganyan. Nakakapagod kayong magkampanya sa iyo tapos ganyan lang mo be safe naman para sa mga tao. Nanimbawat akong balibo yung mong gibuhat. Mayor naman. Please, lang, isipin mo mga tao mag-alala sa iyo kasi kami hindi kami makatulog. Alala namin sa iyo. Alalang-alala kami sa iyo. Yun lang. We are very willing to follow what you want, to obey your laws. Please naman, be safe, Mayor. We do respect na ganyan ka talaga. Pero, yung mga tao naman nag-iisip sa iyo, katulad namin, mga aginaldo, alagaan mo naman. Hindi kami makatulog. Di ba, Mayor? Ayos lang tayo, Mayor. Love you. Okay lang.
Tapos, at kung may mensahe po kayo sa incoming president kasi Duterte, ano po yun?
Sana mapago niya ang Pilipinas, magkaroon ng death penalty, yung mga nandirape, yung mga drug lords, mauli niya na lahat. Ingatan niya rin yung sarili niya kasi mukhang maraming nagbabanta sa buhay niya. Willing kaming suportahan siya para sa pagbabago ng Pilipinas at kaunlaran natin.
Sana po matupad po yung mga yung mga
President Duterte, sana yung mga supportive po niya sa paligid niya, bigyan po siya ng magandang support para matupad yung mga pangarap po. So number 1 po siguro yung hindi ko po alam kung talagang kaya niyang magawa ng paraan yung traffic. Okay, tapos yung mga corruption, mga rapes.
So many great things that we get. Let your brother Jesus really cover him safely, ever because in here, just be happy because involved in traffic. For people. This is not about Digong Road, but this is about for the glory of God. Yes. Today, tonight. Amen.
Hello po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin all over the world, mula Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao at Sabah, at sa ating po lahat ng OFW. Nandito po ako ngayon kasama ang mga supporters ni Mayor Duterte at ang ibang mga supporters ni Bongbong Marcos na magbibigay ng mensahe po sa atin ngayong araw na to. Actually, celebration po natin itong lahat ng mga Pilipino para po sa pagbabago. So, kapanayamin po natin si Shalom para magbigay po siya ng message sa pagkapanalo ni Mayor Duterte. Sir.
Mayor, may gabi, kumusta sa tanan? On behalf of the people, migrants, nagay sa mong likod, nagkakain salamat. Ang ginawa ko. Duterte!
Okay, guys, continue. Okay, continue, sir.
Sige, balik na. Panginaot mi, nga mo ang pagka-presidente, dili lang sa mga taga-Davao o taga-Pilipinas, milyon-milyon po ang mga Filipino migrants nga niya din karon sa Amerika o sa lain-lain nasod sa kalibutan. O niya taliwala sa atong kalisod, manikamot mi na musuporta sa imo, labi na sa imong programa sa peace, programa sa contractualization, programa para sa sa isa ka nasod na independent o magsulbad sa problema, sa krimen, sa droga, sa korupsyon.
Marlon Segovia from Bicol are supporting you too. We provide the music and we provide the writings. Roa Duterte!
Sabi ninyo, message nyo for President Rodrigo Duterte.
Congratulations, Mayor. Rest assured that we'll be supporting you throughout. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas! Yes!
Okay, narito naman po tayo ngayon. May mga kasama po tayo supporters ni Bongbong Marcos. Alam naman po natin na may mga nangyaring hindi maganda. Kukunin na po natin yung opinion ni Dr. Dale. Dr. Dale, ano po ang opinion niyo sa nakaraang halalan?
Okay, actually I'm not a voter of Unila elections. However, I would like to inform everybody that it has been a common knowledge since then that there are a lot of vote buying and also use of government properties. So, had it been prevented by the present administration na nag-campaign sila sana na walang walang vote buying, walang dayaan, it could be na possible na maniwala ako na walang dayaan. However, dahil sa mga maraming question ngayon, I believe nga may mga pangyayari na dapat i-inquire para fair ang labas ng election. So, I'm not a supporter of Bong Marcos. However, just to be honest, I did not vote, but as a plate observer, gusto ko lang na we should change the present system, and it should be that the new administration shall impose all the legalities next elections.
Alright. Yeah, thank you, sir. How about Ms. Dorothy? Ano pong masasabi ninyo sa nangyayaring hindi maganda sa nakaraang election, especially sa Vice President po?
Ang gusto ko lang malaman yung katotohanan. I just want to make sure na all the votes are counted. Recount uli para malaman natin sino talaga ang nanalo sa DP. Kasi for all we know, ang alam talaga namin si Bong nanalo.
Alright. Thank you very much po. At may isa pa pong gustong magsalita para kay message para kay Mayor Maggie. Si Maggie. Go, you're live now.
Congratulations Mayor. Presidente Rodrigo Duterte.
Yes. All right. Thank you very much, guys. And